Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Learn English Fast TV.
Today, you will learn how to speak English during a taxi or Uber ride.
This conversation includes destination questions, payment, small talk, and daily life conversations.
The English is slow and beginner-friendly, so you can listen and repeat easily.
Okay, let's start our taxi ride.
Hello, are you Emma?
Yes, I am.
Welcome. Please put your bags in the back.
Thank you so much.
No problem. Let me help you with the suitcase.
That's very kind of you.
Where are you traveling from today?
I'm coming from New York.
Oh, wow. That's a long flight.
Yes, I'm very tired right now.
I can imagine.
How are you today?
I'm doing well. Thank you.
That's good.
So, where would you like to go?
Please take me to Downtown Hotel on King Street.
Okay, I see it here.
How long will it take?
Maybe 40 minutes, because traffic is a little heavy.
That's okay.
Evening traffic is always busy in this city.
There are so many cars here.
Yes, especially near the airport. Is this your first time visiting this city?
Yes, it is my first visit.
Nice. You will enjoy it here.
What places should I visit?
You should visit downtown, the city park, and the Riverwalk.
The Riverwalk sounds beautiful.
It's very beautiful at night.
Maybe I'll go there tomorrow evening.
That's a good idea.
How long have you been driving for Uber?
Almost 6 years now.
Wow, that's a long time.
Yes, I spend a lot of time on the road.
Did you always want to become a driver?
No. Actually, I wanted to become a teacher.
Really?
Yes, but life changed after college.
What happened?
I needed a job quickly, so I started driving part-time.
And then you continued?
Exactly. Over time, I started enjoying it.
That's nice.
I meet new people every day, and every ride is different.
If you don't mind me asking, do Uber drivers make good money?
It depends on the day and the number of rides.
Oh, really?
Weekends are usually very busy.
So weekends are better for earning money?
Yes, especially Friday and Saturday nights.
How many hours do you work every day?
Usually 8 to 10 hours.
That sounds tiring.
Sometimes it is.
Do you work every day?
I take 1 day off every week.
What is the hardest part of the job?
Traffic and long working hours,
Yes, traffic can be stressful.
especially during rainy days.
And what is the best part?
Meeting kind people and hearing their stories.
Do you have any funny stories from passengers?
Oh, yes, many stories.
Tell me one.
One passenger fell asleep in the car and forgot his shoes.
No way!
Yes, he walked into his house wearing only socks.
That's so funny.
Another passenger sang loudly the entire ride.
Was the singing good?
Not at all.
Poor driver. Do you live with your family?
Yes, I live with my wife and son.
That's wonderful.
My son is 8 years old.
That's a fun age.
Yes, he talks all day.
Kids have so much energy.
Very true.
Does your family support your work?
Yes, they are very supportive.
That's important.
What do you do for work?
I work in marketing.
Do you enjoy it?
Most days, yes.
What is your dream job?
I want to start my own business one day.
That's a great dream.
What about you?
I want to open a small coffee shop someday.
That sounds amazing.
I love coffee and talking to people.
Then it's the perfect job for you. The weather looks cloudy.
Yes, I think it might rain tonight.
Is driving difficult during rain?
Yes, roads become slippery and traffic becomes slower.
That sounds stressful.
But careful driving is very important. We are almost at your hotel.
The ride went by so fast.
Good conversations make time faster.
That's true.
Your hotel is on the right side.
Thank you for the safe ride. How much is the fare?
It's $28.
Can I pay with my phone?
Yes, of course.
Perfect.
Just tap your phone here.
Done.
Payment successful.
Thank you again for the ride.
You're very welcome.
I hope you have a wonderful evening.
Thank you. Enjoy your stay in the city.
Great job practicing English today.
Now you know useful English for taxi and Uber conversations. Practice these sentences again and again to improve your speaking skills. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and support Learn English Fast TV. See you in the next English conversation video. Bye, everyone!